Why do you get hiccups? Parents, ever hear your child get a case of the giggles and hiccups? Hiccups happen when the diaphragm, a muscle under their lungs, spasms. This sudden movement causes the hic sound we know so well. Taking a sip of water or holding their breath can help it calm down. Once that muscle calms down, the hiccups stop. Kids often get hiccups after laughing or eating too fast. Remember, it's just the body's way of adjusting and is totally normal. Don't forget, a few hiccups are nothing to worry about.